Just got back from the junkyard. As you can see, there was some good finds. These are off of D2. I'm gonna see if those fit. This is also off of D2. Hopefully I can make this work. Because, as you can tell on mine, there is a giant hole there. So let's see what we can do about that. So there it is after. I feel like something's missing right here. That fits perfect. In case you guys are wondering, D2 parts do fit on a D1. Alright, so I'm in a little bit of a predicament. The D2s have a coin holder on this side that actually also fits on that side. So which one do I want? Felt line coin holder or the ashtray? I don't really smoke, that's why I'm questioning it, but leave a comment down below on what you think I should use. I mean, that looks nice in there. That looks, you know, a little felt in there, matches the felt inside of here. Look at that, fits perfect. All right, so the D2s have this block off plate. D1s and classics like that one come with, you know, cup holders here. My brother's classic, he says that they're pretty much useless anyway. So I think I'm just gonna get the pod ones, the ones that mount to the side here. But what I want to know is if I'm going to have to swap this whole chassis or if I can just take this out. Let's find out. All right, so I popped that out. It's not too hard. There's two little tabs. I was trying not to break them. Now we have to find out if this is gonna fit onto there. So I assume that would go like that, and that would go like that. Beautiful. Look at that. Dash is back. Oh, it makes me so happy. No more holes. So what we're looking at next is this base. You see how it's not doing too well? I'm going to see if I can fit that D2 one on there. I'm gonna go give this a quick wipe down, pull this off, see how it goes. We got it all cleaned up. Now it's time to remove this one. As you can see, it does not fit. It's not even close. This is riveting on this. This looks so bad. So I'll just put that one back on. In case you're wondering what's going on over here. A little compression test. Now we can do these. These are in a little bit better condition than mine are. And see if they fit. There's the old one. It's a little dirty, but this one looks way better anyway. there's the new one, and there's the old one. That's why I swapped it out. Sagging, not sagging. D2 sun visors fit on a D1. Here we go with the other side. Look how dirty and dingy this one is. I'm sure I could clean all that off, but I don't know if you can see right there. It's kind of sponged up and not flush. But we're gonna throw that one in. All right, now I'm gonna pull these off. This middle piece. Transfer everything from here to the new one. I don't know. I think it doesn't look too bad. I'm just gonna leave it. Got my mom over here. She's gonna try to sew this up. See how it turns out. All right, this is how the seat came out. Mom showed me how to do it. I ended up knocking it out. Don't look too bad, I don't think. Right now I'm cleaning them. I'm not sure if you can tell the difference between here and here. I'll show you guys what I'm doing. Magic eraser, just water. You know, give it a nice scrub there. Look at that. All right, we're gonna keep going. I already got the driver's seat, and after that, we're gonna condition them. But goodness, was this thing dirty. All right, so now we're gonna condition. We're gonna try this out, see how this works. All right, so it tells you to use a microfiber pad. When we're in the back, I'm just gonna do this. It tells you to massage it in. And then you can wipe away the excess. I mean, I'm sure it's not gonna make it look different. This is just more so for the seat. And then I think you buff it off just like that. Tell you what, it does feel a lot softer. Just keep going. I'm gonna do this whole bottom. Actually, I'm just gonna save you guys the time. I'm gonna go ahead and do all of the seats. So here are the seats after conditioning them. I mean, they do look a lot better, especially that one. It's not perfect, but better than the giant hole that was there, for sure. Back ones, obviously less use, so they look pretty close. I mean, the goal would be to get new leather, but I imagine that's probably expensive. So I think there's only one thing left to do. As you can see, this wiper is pretty bad. I did the front wipers. I forgot that this had a back one. So I got a 14-inch. Hopefully it fits it. Gonna knock that out real quick. Boom, new wiper is on. So hopefully this will help when the snow comes. It's getting pretty close to snowing here in Colorado, so that'll be helpful. All right, so a little quick overview of what we did in this video. I know it was a lot. Essentially, I went to a junkyard for my mom's car. I ended up finding a D2, grabbed as many parts as possible. When I got here, I decided to see if all those fit. So what I found from the junkyard was the coin holder for here. That cover piece. So it was those two pieces. I also found the sun visors. These actually lay up and, you know, close how they're supposed to. I was in here, you know, working on the interior. I mean, I don't think you guys know how bad these empty pieces bothered me. I mean, those holes in the dash just look terrible. So I'm glad those are fixed. The seat is fixed. We got the wiper, rear wiper on. This is still one of the pieces that I have to get. The ashtray that's behind this console, we got that. We got a lot of things to do. We need new boots. That one and that one. You got to find a new piece up here. I know it was kind of a weird video, spur of the moment, but I hope you guys enjoyed it. And if you need to know, or if you find a D2 in the junkyard and you have a D1, those pieces fit. The seat bases do not. Have a good one.